Hey, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-TRAK CNC Toolroom Lathe model TRL1440ELX, serial number 143DH930. This machine was new in 2014, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has the Proto-TRAK ELX control. You have 14-inch swing with 40-inch centers. You have 7-inch swing over the cross slide. Right now he's running the Z-axis. Again, you have 40-inch travel. You can see the Dorian tool post on the cross slide. That's your Z, that's your X. CAMLOCK D14 spindle. You have, that's the hand wheel, so you can run this machine in hand wheel mode, and the control turns into a digital readout. Also, you have teach mode. All right, we're running the spindle at a low RPM. You have from 60 up to 2400 RPM. Going into a higher range, 450. Machine has a 5C lever type collar closer, a 3-jaw chuck, a steady rest, and a drill chuck for the tailstock. 800 RPM. Original paint. 1700 RPM. Okay. So you've seen low, medium, and high speeds. Tailstock is the number 3 Morse taper at 5 inches of travel. That's your manual quill adjustment. Okay, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.